I am so excited to share with you the newest Norwex products. Prepare to fall in love. So this year's products are going to help make cleaning even easier. It's going to help you take care of those beloved fur babies at your house. And we are going to share something with you that is absolutely amazing for your skin. Are you ready? All right, let's jump in on the cleaning front and we'll end with the funner stuff, okay? So first of all, how many of you have like a big shower or a deep tub, and it can be challenging to get down and clean those surfaces or get high enough on the shower walls? I know many of you have tile showers. This is a brand new mop attachment, and this one is like our bathroom scrub mitt, which I love our bathroom scrub mitt, and I love that now it can fit on either the mop handle or you can put it on our all-purpose mini handle depending on. And it's an attachment. So you just press this little button here and slide this out, and then this part can go on either the mini or the mop handle. And there's also a backlock cleaning brush. If you happen to have a hot tub, this is amazing for doing like your hot tub walls again without, it just can be challenging to clean. So love this. It's nice and firm bristles, and so you're gonna love that. All right. Next up, back by popular demand, so many of you have been begging Norwex to bring back this limited edition, and it is now in the catalog. It's our Enviro wand in the duster textured fiber, okay? It's very, very, very fine. Now, the people who are most loving this are people with fine dust in their homes. So if you live in a construction zone or any of that, people with fur babies love it. And especially if you do have maybe allergies in your home to dander and things like that, this is just even a finer fiber than our other traditional Enviro wand, but it bends just like our other one. Do you notice how I do that? I put my hand here, I put my hand here. I know I'm a little bit OCD. I like it nice and square. And this you can clean your ceiling fans with. Again, you just pop off the short handle and put on the mop handle if you need a little extra reach. It's great like in the car with that fine dust. Blinds, I gotta teach you really quick my blind cleaning trick. Now this is, someone just called, they're coming over in 5 minutes. This is the company's coming way. So I close the wooden blinds and I clean that side, and then I close them the opposite way. I pull them out and I clean the back side, and wouldn't you know it, they look pretty good. So this is great, and the mini is awesome to keep in the car, send with your kiddos off to college, because the computer screens, we know that that dust is actually, well, a lot of dust holds on to a lot of toxins. And so even though it feels fruitless and pointless to dust when it settles so quickly, one of the things you'll find with Norwex when you dust with our dusting mitt or with this is that it stays cleaner longer, because instead of just rearranging all the dust in the air to settle literally 60 seconds later, it's removing it. Now, when you have any of these, I recommend the rubber brush to get that dust outside where it belongs. Okay. Next up, also that same very popular fiber that all of you are just loving, especially people with fur babies, are the dry sweeper mop pad. So this is just another option for your mop system. Again, if you have a lot of fine dust, our pets especially. And speaking of fur babies, this beautiful new pet rug is adorable. Can you see this? And these are pet neutral paws, I'm told. So, can you see those? So cute. And those are great like under their water dish and their feeding place, but also of course by the door, because you want to collect as much off their feet before they come in the house. And Norwex microfiber is the best way to do that. It's so incredibly absorbent. And then for your fur babies, we need bath time, right? You guys have been asking and asking, when is Norwex going to give us a pet shampoo? Well, guess what? We have a 2-in-1 dog shampoo. It cleans their fur, it smells amazing, it's healthy for them, the proper pH for your pups, and it also conditions their fur so it keeps their fur healthier. Love that. All maple approved, I will tell you. And then the pet towel, look at this, is so gorgeous. Okay, now why do I love this pet towel? Because let's face it, when you're done bathing your dog, usually they are a moving object, and usually they cannot wait to shake all the water all over everything. And this towel is about to change your life. It has pockets. It's so good. And so you catch the moving object and you give them a little massage and you clean around the eyes and all of that. It will greatly reduce the amount of water they get to shake all over, which is good. And honestly, they love it. They love it. It's so soft. It sucks that water right off at a much higher absorbency. If you don't have one of these yet, you need one of these. They're amazing. Okay, next up, for our fur babies, for our dogs specifically, how many of you, your doggies get a little doggy smelling, you know, from time to time, right? They have special oils in their fur to help them do amazing things like swim in water and, you know, get into stuff. And sometimes they can smell a little doggy. And so, unless you just love the doggy smell, which is cool too, no judgment on that, this is a doggy deodorizer. And it is bordering miraculous. Okay, our product testers so far have been sharing that they have never, previous to this product, I've got friends who have puppies who are dogs who are a little bit more prone to a lot of doggy smell. And this actually eats up that smell, keeps them smelling fresh, and of course is healthy and safe for your little fur baby. So, or big fur babies. Love that. And then as long as we're talking about fur babies, we got to talk about the less fun stuff. What happens when the kitty throws a hairball, the doggy pukes, there's an accident? Well, you know, Norwex enzyme products are incredible. And right now they've added to the line the pet stain and odor remover. And as Norwex is so well known for with their enzyme and their probiotic line, is it doesn't just cover it up with toxic crud. It actually removes the odor, removes the stain. Incredible. This is a concentrate, so this is made to be diluted. I want to remind you that when you get your Norwex, there's this little peel back here, and that's always going to give you the exact measurements, everything you need. You just dilute it in a spray bottle of water. Prepare to be very happy that you have this under your sink for those moments when you need it. Okay. Now we get to talk about something absolutely delightful, and this is 2 amazing additions to our already incredible Norwex skincare line. So comes in these cute little boxes. You get the forever jars. Remember, you just buy the forever jars once. From that point, you get to save, I think it's $10 and just buy refills. So not only is that more eco-friendly, and you get to keep these beautiful jars. Also, I just have to say, I love the Norwex boxes and the skincare. They're like origami, and they have the instructions in there for you. And literally, they're just a kind of a work of art just in and of themselves. So, didn't want to miss that because I want you to see that when you get it. Okay, so we have our daytime serum and our nighttime serum. Now, people are wondering, okay, where do I use it? How does it fit in my current skincare line? Let me just first say this. If you are not yet using the Norwex skincare line, I actually go back and watch videos from about a decade ago, and I can see, don't go watching my old videos, by the way. I'm not saying I love it, but I see the difference in my skin, and I really have to give the Norwex skincare line a lot of credit, because since they rolled that out, I have been extremely consistent with it, and I can see in the mirror myself. And I'm just a person, I don't want to inject anything. I don't want to do Botox. I don't want to inject stuff. It's just not my thing. No judgment if that's your thing. It's just not mine. And so I was really looking for natural ways to kind of slow this aging train. I am bumping 50, and I was like, all right, we need to do something. So anyway, love our skincare. I love our cleanser. I would bathe in our night cream and our eye cream. Our serum's incredible. So if you haven't done the system, you absolutely should. These 2 are incredible. So we have a new vitamin C serum. Now you guys see this, it's gorgeous. Look at those copper. And then all you do is you just take one. Remember, once you're out, you just buy the refill and you get some more. And you just twist off that little top and you put it on your face. I do it after the cleansing step and before the rest of the Norwex skincare. So it's kind of the first thing that I do. I personally don't use this every day, but vitamin C serum, and this has a lot of extra stuff in it. It is way beyond just vitamin C serum, but has really, really amazing results. And I think even if you've used another kind in the past, I would recommend you try this because I have found it quite a bit more effective than some of the other vitamin C serums I've used. Now, this one. Okay. Baekuchiol Night Serum, I think is what it's called. Anyway, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Smoothing Baekuchiol Serum. There we go. This is a non-harsh, plant-based, natural replacement for retinol. Now, retinol does its thing quite effectively, but if you Google it, you will find there are some known side effects. And this is so gentle, but so effective, you are going to fall in love with it. And it's a retinol alternative for you. Look at that beautiful, beautiful blue, biodegradable. So these are all biodegradable as well, but it also protects the quality of the product by putting them in there because you want it fresh and powerful. So I just twist off the top. I pat this in around my eye area. I know it doesn't really maybe say used by your eyes, but I have not found any irritation on my skin, zero, using this product, and it is awesome. I do it at night before my beloved night cream, the Norwex night cream, okay? So you're gonna definitely want this, all right? Okay, so that wraps up our new product launch, and I will put together a shopping cart that you can click and get it all in there. I'll throw the skincare thing in there too if you don't have it yet. I would highly recommend that you get it because you get the forever bottles and then you can put the refills on autosave, save $10 per refill versus the bottle and 10% on your autosave. So it's kind of like a massive win. That's up to you if you want to do it, but it is available for you. And so I can put that in the cart. You can just take out anything that you don't want in the cart and it'll just make it super easy for you. Now, if you're working with a consultant, of course, check in with them and get their link. All right, my friends, I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Please do share back here in the comments. Let me know your favorite product from this launch. I would love to hear. And as always, thank you for watching. If you haven't taken a minute to subscribe, follow, do the things. That way we can stay in touch and I can continue to keep you updated on all things Norwex. All right, we'll see you soon. God bless you.